Hey everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix Microsoft Store. Try that again, something happened on our end. Waiting a bit might help Windows. Now, if you are getting this message while opening your Microsoft Store and when you click refresh the page, even you get the same message. I'm going to share two simple steps that you need to apply, and after that you will find that the problem has been fixed. The first thing that you have to do is you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. So press Windows and R key to bring up the run box at the left hand corner. And here you have to type %local app data %again, and then click on OK. So now the local folder will be coming up. Here you have to look for packages. So keep scrolling down until you get packages. Double click on it. And then here you have to look for a file that is Microsoft.Windows Store, something like that. So you can keep scrolling down and look for Microsoft Windows Store. Here it is. This one you have to find Microsoft.Windows Store _8WAKY. Okay, even I will leave this file name on the description so that you can copy and search here, so you don't have any problem searching it. Now once you come here, you have to double click on it. Then you will find a folder local cache. Double click on it, and now whatever you find here, you have to delete it. So you can use the Control A key to select all, then press the delete key or make a right click on it and choose delete. All right, so once you are done, close it. Now in the next step, we also need to reset the Microsoft Store from your Windows application. So on your search box of Windows 10 or Windows 11, type apps, and from the suggestion, choose apps and features. Now where it says search this list, just click on it and type store, and you will be getting Microsoft Store in the suggestion. Click on it, then click on advanced options, and now scroll down and you will be getting an option here, reset. Click on it, then click on reset again. Okay, once you get a check mark here, restart your PC and your problem is fixed. I'm pretty sure that your problem will be fixed. And if this video helped you guys, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe to the channel for more related videos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.